Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're counting down the top 3 best heavy-duty kitchen shears that bring power, precision, and versatility to your kitchen. From everyday meal prep to tough cutting tasks, these picks are built to perform. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Wenshall Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears. The Wenshall heavy-duty kitchen shears are designed to transform everyday cooking tasks into effortless precision work. Built for versatility, these shears handle a wide range of kitchen chores, from slicing through raw meat and tough tendons to butterflying a whole chicken or turkey. They also excel at trimming fat, chopping herbs, and preparing vegetables, making them an indispensable tool for any home cook or professional chef. Crafted with Japanese stainless steel, the blades offer exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion and chipping. Their micro-serrated design ensures a secure grip on ingredients, allowing for accurate and controlled cuts every time. Even with frequent use, the shears maintain their sharpness and can be easily resharpened to a razor's edge, guaranteeing reliable performance for both heavy-duty and delicate kitchen tasks. Comfort is central to the design of these shears. Ergonomic, ambidextrous handles reduce hand fatigue and provide superior control, making long prep sessions smoother and more efficient. The anti-slip features enhance safety while ensuring each cut is precise, whether you're left or right-handed. From everyday meal prep to intricate culinary projects, the Wenshall heavy-duty kitchen shears bring professional-grade performance to the home kitchen. With their strong construction, razor-sharp precision, and comfortable handling, they make food preparation faster, safer, and more enjoyable. These shears are more than just a cutting tool. They are a versatile kitchen companion, combining strength, precision, and ergonomic design in a single high-quality instrument that meets the demands of any cooking task. Coming in at number 2, we have the Mitsumoto Sakari Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears. The Mitsumoto Sakari Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears bring a new level of efficiency and versatility to the kitchen. Crafted as universal kitchen scissors, these Japanese-designed shears combine sharp, durable blades with a lightweight structure, making them easy to handle and ready for a variety of culinary tasks. From cutting meat and vegetables to trimming herbs or opening packages, these shears reduce the need for multiple tools and streamline food preparation. Featuring black titanium-plated blades, the kitchen shears offer precise cutting with fine serrations that prevent slipping. The sharp edges allow for smooth slicing, even through tougher ingredients, while maintaining consistent performance over time. The removable blade design enhances convenience, making cleaning straightforward and extending the lifespan of the shears. Ergonomics play a key role in the Mitsumoto Sakari shears. The handles are shaped for a comfortable, secure grip that supports stable control during use. This design minimizes hand fatigue, even during prolonged tasks, allowing for more efficient and smooth kitchen operations. With their combination of durability, sharpness, and thoughtful design, the Mitsumoto Sakari heavy-duty kitchen shears are an essential tool for both professional chefs and home cooks seeking a reliable, all-in-one kitchen solution. These scissors are not just a cutting tool, they are a versatile companion that enhances precision, convenience, and comfort in everyday cooking. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gidli heavy-duty kitchen shears. The Gidli heavy-duty kitchen shears are designed for serious home cooks who demand versatility and strength in one tool. Built from premium stainless steel, these kitchen shears handle everything from slicing chicken, seafood, and tough meats to chopping vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Their durable construction makes them ideal for everyday meal prep, backyard grilling, or even campsite cooking. More than just scissors, the Gidli kitchen shears feature multiple built-in tools, including a bottle opener, fruit and vegetable peeler, and fish scaler. This multifunction design reduces clutter and ensures that one reliable tool can tackle many tasks in the kitchen. Cleanup is effortless thanks to their dishwasher-safe design and easily detachable blades, allowing thorough rinsing without struggling with trapped food particles. Comfort and control are prioritized, with a slip-resistant grip suitable for both left and right-handed users. Whether cutting meat, herbs, or other ingredients, these shears provide stability and precision in every motion. With a sleek, brushed steel finish and premium feel, they come in a gift-ready box with a tightening wrench, making them perfect for grillers, chefs, and home cooks who appreciate quality. Gidli backs these heavy-duty kitchen scissors with a lifetime guarantee and a one-time free replacement, offering peace of mind alongside dependable performance. These shears combine functionality, durability, and style, proving themselves as an essential tool for any kitchen. From routine meal prep to specialty tasks, the Gidli heavy-duty kitchen shears deliver precision, convenience, and long-lasting reliability. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite pick today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more top product countdowns and honest recommendations.